has been growing consistently 1 inch at a time. Oh, featuring my cat again. You're looking in the camera. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Bianca Monroy, and I'm going to be giving you guys a little update on my previous video. So an update on the curly hair, on the inversion hair growth method. So ever since I uploaded my last video on this method, it's been a month and a half because I kept pushing the date to do this, to film this. So my results are based upon a month and a half, okay? So I purposely did not straighten my hair for the intro of this video because I wanted to let you guys know that not only is this good for hair growth, but it's kind of been restoring my waves, my curls, whatever my hair type is, because I'm still not quite sure what it is. I've always been the type to bleach my hair ever since I was 12. So my hair is just very damaged. It's always been damaged. I never even knew I had I knew I had wavy hair, but it's never been this defined. But before I go straight in my hair and show you guys my results, I want to tell you guys to subscribe and like this video because I'm going to be uploading a lot now. Finally got my real estate license. I'm done studying. I have a lot of free time for videos, and let me go straight in my hair now. I'm now back with the measuring t-shirt and my hair straightened. One thing I do want to say though is I haven't really been doing this method so frequently as before. Because before I think I did it like twice a week, 3 times a week, and now I kind of did it once a week. Let's start it. I'm going to get again my mirror so I don't have to look down or nothing. I'm gonna use this pen. So I'm just gonna put my camera down because you can't really see the bottom of my hair and that angle. So it's actually to this line. You see? And this other hair, it's kind of hard. It rises up a lot, but because I'm really tugging on it. Okay, you guys, so I brought my little measuring tape. Okay guys, so now we have the little measuring tape so I can show you guys exactly how long my hair has grown. And just one last time, see, because yeah, it doesn't really look like it's touching the line, but it is. So let's move aside my hair and let's measure. So we're gonna measure from the bottom of this line. Let me show. Oh my god, I grew 2 inches. But on this side, my hair grew about 1.5 inches. Wow. Let me bring my brightness up again because I had to put it down for you guys to see this measuring straight. It's been almost 2 months now. Every month it is going 1 inch at a time, even though I'm not doing the method very often. So imagine if you guys are actually doing it. And I saw a comment telling me to massage my head upside down for 5 minutes every day, but I have not been doing that just because I'm scared that I'll get caspa from it, aka dandruff. If you guys don't have a dandruff prone scalp, I recommend you guys doing that, but for me, I'm kind of scared. I haven't been using the oil I used in my other video, but I've been using this homemade oil that you guys probably have the ingredients in your guys' homes, which I'm going to show you guys right now. So for this recipe, we are going to be using 3 different types of oils and a glass bowl. The glass bowl really helps keep the oil warmer for a longer time. We need some castor oil. You can find it for $5 at any grocery store. Some coconut oil. I got mine at Marshall's, which is a bit cheaper. And olive oil. I just found this at home, but you can buy this at any store. So to measure, I just use a spoon, and I make sure that coconut oil is the oil I use the most in the recipe because it overall helps your hair stay stronger, shinier, healthier, everything. Coconut oil is just bomb for your hair. And now for the castor oil, I do try to use a little bit. I don't know why I accidentally used a lot, but I recommend using just a little bit. It helps keep your hair follicles really healthy, which are your roots, which is why it promotes really fast hair growth. And not only fast hair growth, it helps you grow even more hair at a time. And we're just going to be using a little bit of olive oil. I only recommend this if you have thick hair. If you don't do it because it's going to weigh down your hair. But that's pretty much it. We're now going to place it in the microwave. I put it in for 30 seconds, but I recommend you to put it in for about a minute just to make sure that the coconut oil is fully melted. And then we're just going to mix together the oils and you're basically done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my little clip of making the homemade oil. And I just want to say that I don't even do this method very frequently as I've been doing last month. I just keep forgetting because I love putting the oil on overnight, because I feel like in the day for 6 hours you're not doing nothing. You can't go out. Well, for me, I can't go out. I can't do nothing because I just feel kind of dirty. I feel like my hair is very gross and greasy, obviously because of oil. So I don't want to go out or do nothing. But doing it overnight, you just sleep on it and you wake up and you wash your hair, and it's perfect for time management. But it's just something you have to really remind yourself, because sometimes I just get really tired and I'm like, I kind of forgot to do it. I'm too tired. It takes about 10 minutes, and these 10 minutes I just want to sleep. But anyways, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys, and I hope you guys like and you comment and you subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.